Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your sales tax step by step. Gather your sales records and invoices, sort taxable versus non-taxable items, and total gross sales. Determine the state and local rates that apply, subtract valid exemptions, complete the proper return form, and calculate the amount due. Choose electronic filing for speed, attach payments securely, and keep copies for your records and audits. Start by totaling taxable sales across online, in-person, and marketplace channels, then apply the combined state and local sales tax rate to that taxable amount. Be sure to remove exempt sales and valid deductions before computing the final balance due. Double-check rounding rules for your jurisdiction and any minimum thresholds. Record the calculated tax clearly on the correct line of the return and save supporting documentation for record keeping. If this video is helping, please subscribe and hit like so you see more practical tax tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth makes a thoughtful read for anyone handling business money, and it pairs nicely with tax planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose the filing method that fits your business. Many states prefer electronic filing through the state portal for speed and confirmation, while some sellers still use paper returns if allowed. If you sell in multiple states, evaluate where nexus exists and file separate returns as required. Keep backup documentation like sales journals and exemption certificates. If rules feel unclear, consult a tax professional to avoid penalties and ensure accurate multi-state compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.